Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about Lambda function in Python. So normally function is a subprogram which is used to perform specific task. Okay, so here Lambda function contains one line. In that line it contains the function implementations. Okay, so it contains only one single line. In that line it contains all the implementations of functions. Okay, the Lambda function syntax is Lambda, and next it contains arguments. After that it contains expression. So this is the syntax of Lambda function. So here arguments are nothing but parameters and expression is nothing but implementations. Okay, so let's see one example program. So I want to know the square of a number. Okay, so if you want to find out the square of a number, then you need to implement. So here I am taking one variable that is nothing but p is equals to lambda of lambda, then you need to give number of arguments. So here square of a number that contains only one number. Okay, so for that purpose I am giving one argument, and next expression is nothing but n into n. Okay, expression is n into n, the square of a number. For example, if the n value is 4, 4 into 4, that is nothing but 16. Okay, next if the number is 5, then 5 into 5, 25, like that. Okay, so this is the lambda function. Next, any function needs to execute, then you need to call. Okay, so if your function wants to execute, then you need to call that function. So next I am writing print the square of a number is, or the square of 4 is. Next you need to call that function. So here you need to call that function by using this variable p of 4. Okay, so we are calling the function and passing parameter as 4. So n contain 4. 4 into 4, 16. So it will display 16. Let us execute this program. So the square of 4 is 16. So you can call this function any number of times. Again I am calling the square of 5 is. Next you need to call p of 5. Okay, p of 5. Let's execute. The square of 4 is 16. The square of 5 is 25. In this way you can call this function any number of times. So here lambda function contains the syntax lambda. Next arguments are nothing but parameters. Okay, so if you see here it displays like this, parameters n of unnamed. Okay, next here this is expression. Okay, next, so this is one function. Let us write one more function. So I am commenting this one. Okay, next, s is equals to lambda of, if you want to find out the largest number among two numbers, then lambda of, next you need to give the number of arguments. So here number of arguments are a comma b, and after that you need to give the expression a if a greater than b, else b. So this is the expression. After that you need to call this function. Okay, print the largest number between 10 comma 20 is comma s of 10 comma 20. Okay, so let us execute this program. The largest number between 10 comma 20 is 20. Okay, so next I am calling one more time print the large number among 34 comma 23 34 comma 23 is S of 34 comma 23. See this, the largest number between 10 comma 20 is 20. The largest number among 34 comma 23 is 34. So if you mention is, it will display like this. Okay, so in this way the lambda function is used in Python. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.